Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a kitchen interior. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the kitchen box where we put our items, the microwave, the dryer and the wash basin. Yes, this is our drawer where we put all of accessories. Yes, and this is the microwave. Yay, little cute microwave. Yes, like that. And this is our wash machine. Yay, like that. Step by step, follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Yay! Now we will draw the stove where we make our dinner. Yay! And the hot kettle. Yes, like that. Now we will draw the tray where we will put our jar and spoons. Yes, always remember drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step, follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Thank you, little friends. Bye bye.